just had my breakfast and I thought of giving you guys a hotel tour, like just the swimming pool part of it, because Burj Khalifa is visible from there. Also, Burj is visible from my parents' room. I'll show you guys that as well. So again, that's our room. Connecting room is Mama Papa's. Now I'll show you guys the Burj Khalifa from here. Just the top is visible, but something is visible, and that's what matters, right? See, it's so pretty. That's the room. Now let's go dress up and we'll be heading to the dessert safari now. This is the first day I went to the hotel breakfast in my night suit, but that's because I was really tired from all the walking. I'm doing 17,000 steps every day. Let's go. Hi, so Mama and Papa are asleep and Tanushka and I are going to explore a little before the desert safari. So let's go. So it's super hot. We just came here to explore the waterfront area, but we're going back because it's unbearable and we're wearing black clothes. So hi guys, so we woke Mama Papa up to go get coffee for Tanushka. She needs a lot of coffee, so we're going to Arab Sweets right now. Let's see how it is. In Google, the pictures show it as like a very big mega store. So I guess it will be that. So this is the store and Tanushka is in her coffee heaven. And she's enjoying a lot actually. So guys, this is all we got from Arab Sweets. Tanushka, how was your experience? So Tanushka was really excited because यहाँ पे Tim Hortons की coffee मिलती थी, but that was out of stock. So we just got Nescafe, the basics, but this is hazelnut flavor. I don't think we get this in India. Hey guys, so we have took a pit stop here to ride like quad bikes and stuff. And like Tanushka and I are not interested because we don't know how to ride quad bikes and we don't want to risk it. It's cheap only, but still we are not interested. So right now everyone's standing there. I look so good. I'm obsessed with myself. Those are all the quad bikes and it's restricted to a limited area. And there are some handicrafts made with like the sand, I guess. I'm not sure though. I'm just saying things at this point. That's Tanushka. Oh, I can't. Safari. So Papa's recording like that, and this is the Nash to wear our seatbelts. Woohoo!
Guys, okay? Yeah.
the thing. I did the mistake of wearing Birkenstocks again, but I think it's the same case with Tanishka as well.
यार मामा कुछ नहीं होता.
This is the halat of my clothes, even my black shirt and my head, but this is the spectacular view. Ma just did sandboarding and now she's coming back. I tried but I couldn't. I was too scared actually. Those are the safari going on Hi guys, so camel ride done, desert safari done. We didn't get any pictures clicked, but now we're headed to our camp. So that's how it looks from the outside, just like any other camp. But let's see how it is from the inside. For reference, this is the tourism thing from where we've booked the camp. I booked it via Klook. So if it's nice, I'll recommend it to you guys. Guys, there's no light now. Light off. So this is the first meal we've gotten. Falafel, samosa and one more cutlet. These are all vegetarian. was good, but Tanushka still eating Pringles. Why Tanushka? इसका तुम्हारा डेजर्ट सफारी का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था? तनुष्का ने गाइस अभी भी ग्लेयर्स पहनी हुई है। अब तनुष्का को लग रहा है कि ये लाइट सन है। तो तनुष्का आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था? आपको भगवान जी ने टंग नहीं दी बोलने को?
दी है।
बोलो,
शब्द क्यों वेस्ट करो उसमें मैं?
बताओ कैसा था आपका एक्सपीरियंस?
अच्छा था।
My sister on the stage. Sister, dance, sister. This is my first time sitting in the back seat of a car, and it was scary, and I get really motion sick. But it was an experience in itself. That's the resort at night, and we did a mini night safari as well. And the experience was awesome. It was once in a lifetime experience. I'm sure I'm not doing desert safari again. But yeah, so this is a low-key experience of what the night safari looked like. Hello, so I hope you all are enjoying this Dubai series. If you are, do let me know in the comment section below. And this was the part 2 of the Dubai vlogs. Part 3 will be coming soon. So stay tuned. Take care. Bye.